Beautiful, isn't it? Lush lawns and pastures, and clean crop rows that lead right up to a mess of brush and brambles. Or worse, the itchiest stuff on your property. Out here, our brush and vines sure seem mean. But life is better out here because there's nothing we can't handle. We have Gordon's Brush Killer for large property and Gordon's Brush Killer for hard-to-kill brush. Brush Killer for large property is a concentrated formulation developed specifically for larger properties, hence the name. It's the ideal choice for your longer fence rows and property lines, roadside ditches, established pastures, and other non-crop areas. It's formulated to deliver broad-spectrum control of more than 75 of the most common weeds, brush, and vines, like thistle and black locust, plus the itchy ones, poison ivy, poison oak, and poison sumac. Gordon's Brush Killer for hard-to-kill brush is formulated for the truly tough species of brush on your property. Brush Killer for hard-to-kill brush kills more than 50 species of the most stubborn brush, including mesquite, kudzu, blackberry, and multiflora rose. But make no mistake, it also gets the itchy invaders too, including poison ivy, poison oak, and poison sumac. Brush Killer for hard-to-kill brush is ideal for your toughest brush, vine, and weed areas, like roadside ditches, hedgerows, CRP acres, and other non-crop areas. Both Brush Killer for large property and Brush Killer for hard-to-kill brush offer visible symptoms like wilting and yellowing in 1 to 3 weeks, and both let you reseed 3 weeks after application. Both products are available in 1 gallon and 1 quart sizes, and Brush Killer for large property is available in an economical 2.5 gallon jug. Application rates for both products vary, so be sure to read and follow label directions. And now you're ready to fight back against the vicious brush, vines, and weeds that want to take over your property. For broad-spectrum control, Brush Killer for large property, and for targeted control of the really tough species, try Brush Killer for hard-to-kill brush. Both give you the performance you need, and both kill the itchy stuff. Life is better out here, and Gordon's helps you keep it that way.